I put a tap on teacher's chair. Somebody snitched on me. I made some knots in sister's hair. Somebody snitched on me. I swiped a 20 from your purse, stubbed my toe and I yelled a curse. Seems I only make things worse, and somebody snitched on me, 'cause I'm getting nothing for Christmas. Mommy and Daddy, they are mad. They're so mad. I'm getting nothing for Christmas, 'cause I ain't been nothing but bad. I've been so bad. I broke a string on Johnny's axe. Somebody snitched on me. I put my socks into Mark's sacks. Somebody snitched on me. I took a solo on your break. I tossed your book 'cause it said it was fake. Played your keyboard while eating cake. Somebody snitched on me, 'cause I'm getting nothing for Christmas. Not one damn thing. Mommy and Daddy, they are mad. Oh, they're so pissed off. I'm getting nothing for Christmas, 'cause I ain't been nothing but bad. How about you, John? You been a good boy? I bet Steve's been bad. No, I won't be seeing Santa Claus, 'cause somebody snitched on me. He won't come visit me because somebody snitched on me. Next year I'll be going straight. Oh, next year I'll be good, just wait. I'll start now, but it's too late, 'cause somebody snitched on me. I'm getting nothing for Christmas, not one damn thing. Mommy and Daddy, they are mad. Oh man, they are beside themselves. I'm getting nothing for Christmas. No, 'cause I ain't been nothing but bad. Real bad. So you better be good, whatever you do. 'Cause if you don't, I'm warning you, you'll get nothing for Christmas. No, nah. Oh man, there is nothing under that damn tree.